Hello friends, my name is Pranav. Welcome to Pranav Tech Videos. So today we will learn how to install WinRAR, how to download, and how to use for making the folders as the zip file and different usage of WinRAR. So let's start from first how to download. So we'll go to Google and here we will type WinRAR download. We will click this. I will give the download link also in description. So here you can see there are two versions. One is 32-bit and one is by default it will be 64-bit. Suppose your operating system having 32-bit version. In that case you have to go and click here for the 32-bit version. By default it will be 64-bit. Before downloading you can check your version. I'm using Windows 10. Here you can see this PC. You have to just right click and properties. So here you can verify the your operating system version. Here you can see 64-bit. So same like that if you are using Windows 7. So here it will be named some my PC and just you have to right click and properties. So after doing this, so here we in my system it's 64-bit, so I will download 64-bit version. Just I will click here. Again we have to click here. So download will start. So here you can see downloading is starting. So we'll go in show in folder. Now we will install this software. Right click, run as the administrator. Yes. And here we will click install. Okay. Done. So now WinRAR software is already installed. So now we will see why we will use WinRAR software. I will give one scenario. Suppose you have to send 100 files to someone through the email. In that normal scenario, what you will do, you will attach all the files in the attachment. It's very hectic. Even who will get that file, he has to download all 100 files separately. So avoid this situation. What we can do, we can put those 100 files in one folder, and we can make that file zip file and single file attachment, and other person will get that single attachment zip file, and he can extract that file and he will get all the files. And also zip file have less chance of virus attack, means it will is security purpose also it's very good. So now we will see how to make folders as a zip file. So here you can see it's a documents. Here many files is there. Here you can see there are many files is there. So a normal scenario you have to attach one by one. So what we will do, we will just make this folder as a zip file. So to making the zip file, you have to just right click that folder, and then you have to click add to archive. Here there will be two options, three options, rar4 and zip. Zip we will select. Since zip is open source, so it's better to select zip file. And if you want, you can set the password also. But first now we will see without password, then I will explain with the password. So we'll click OK. So now as you can see, same name, one zip file is created. So after that, you have to extract this file. Means how you will view this file. Just you have to right click Either you can click extract files or extract here. So I'm just clicking extract here. So here it will, if existing file, so it's showing some existing file is there. So what we will do, first I will delete this folder since it's overriding is doing, and we'll click extract here. So now you can see this file is extracted. You can use that file. So this way you can do. Now we will see how to make with the password. So just I will delete this zip file, and again I'll right click, add to archive, selected zip, and here we can set the password. I'm setting the password Pranav. And OK. OK. So now if I will try to open this file, now this time I am clicking extract file. OK. So you can see now it's asking for password. So suppose I am filling wrong password. Here you can see it will not allow to open that file. So it's provide the security also in this way. If I will, before that, I will just delete this file. Okay, it's open. First I will delete this file. Then I will set. So now if I will try to open this file, extracting this file, it's asking the password. So now I will put the correct password. Here actually file was already there, so it's override. So first I will delete this file, and again I will open, extract. So I will put the password. Okay. So now you can see that file is open. So this way you can extract the file and you can utilize the functionality of WinRAR file. It's very helpful if you are sending the email. If suppose thousands file is there, so you can just convert into one zip file. So it will save your time also, as well as it will be very helpful. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, share this video to other, so I will get motivated, and in future also I will bring the uh, helpful video related to technology. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will stop.